Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some fantastic small machine business ideas. Perfect for beginners, and the best part? They offer a potentially high return on investment. Let's explore. First up, the custom t-shirt printing business. With a heat press, printer, and blank t-shirts, you can create custom designs for individuals or events. The initial investment is low, and the profit margins can be high. Marketing through social media and local events is a great way to attract customers. Next, consider a small-scale engraving business. A laser engraving machine can etch designs onto various materials. You can offer personalized gifts, custom signage, and art pieces. The versatility of an engraving machine is a significant advantage, and the demand for customized products is always there. It's a business that can be run from home. Another excellent idea is a small batch soap-making business. With a soap-making machine, you can produce unique soaps. The market for natural soaps is growing, and there's good profit potential. Sell online, at farmers markets, or wholesale. Proper labeling and compliance are essential. Moving on, let's look at a vinyl cutting and sticker making business. A vinyl cutter and vinyl rolls open up possibilities. Create stickers, decals, labels, and wall art. This business is versatile, and the materials are inexpensive. Sell online, at craft fairs, or offer services to local businesses. Finding a niche and delivering quality is key. Consider a small-scale candle-making business. A candle-making machine can help create scented candles with various waxes. The candle market is thriving, and there's a strong demand. Sell online, at craft fairs, or through boutiques. Experiment with different scents and designs. Then, there's the sublimation printing business. With a sublimation printer and heat press, you can print designs onto mugs, phone cases, and apparel. The sublimation process creates durable prints. Sell online or at local events. Research different products and markets is key. Another profitable idea is a jewelry making business. A jewelry making machine can help create earrings, necklaces, and bracelets. Handmade jewelry is in demand. Sell online, at craft fairs, or through consignment shops. Experiment with different materials and designs. Let's not forget about a button making business. A button making machine is a simple way to create custom buttons. There's a constant demand. Sell online, at local events, or to schools and businesses. Offer different sizes and designs. Finally, the photo booth business. A photo booth machine is a fun and profitable venture. People love to take photos at events. Rent out your photo booth for weddings and parties. Offering props and customization options enhances the experience. Factor in travel and setup costs. Starting any of these businesses requires research, planning, and dedication. However, these small machine business ideas can provide a fantastic return on investment. Conduct market research, develop a plan, and understand your target audience before starting any venture. Thanks for watching, and good luck.